Alright, what up? So if you bought one of these logos, this is the old one. I just took this off so I could take some more pictures with another one just to update the listing. But anyway, if you have one and you're ready to put it on, you peel it off, it's gonna stick right on here. So you don't just make sure this is clean it with alcohol if you have to, if there's any grease on it. This should stick right on. Like this one, since it it hasn't been out, it's a little stiff. So what you would do, you get a heat gun, you heat it up a little bit. This is gonna help it soften so you can conform to the shape of everything. You can do this with a heat gun, or you can sit it outside in the sun, let it sit for a while. But that should make it soft enough to where you can kind of roll it around like that. Make sure all your edges are down, and once it's on there, it's on there. This one I put on, I think it was might have been a year and a half ago or so. I think maybe a little bit longer, but peels off, still sticky to the touch, so it'll last for a while. You can peel it off if you need to, stick it back on there, but yeah, easy to throw it back on. But this is a new one. I just wanted to show y'all how it works with a brand new one. So if you bought one, thank you for the support, and I hope you enjoy it.